Hey everybody, it's Rodney, Overland Medic, and today I'd like to talk to you about 5 things that are a must to have in my kit. Number 1 would be PPE or gloves, nitrile gloves. Help keep those bloodborne pathogens and stuff off your hands. Number 2 would be a tourniquet. Now I use a cat tourniquet, but as long as you have a tourniquet, that's number 2. Number 3 would be some sort of trauma dressing. Now, this is great for any type of wound, but I always carry a mini trauma dressing with me. Number 4 would be trauma shears. These things will cut through pretty much anything, and they're always a must in my kit. Number 5 would be a moldable splint. These work great. This is a 36-inch one, but these, either leg, arm, they can be used in multiple cases. You can use them for a C-collar, but I always use this. And you know what? If you guys completely forgot about your first aid kit, you can grab one of these small kits from Blue Ridge Overland Gear. They work really good. They mount to your headrest on your vehicle.